So we just woke up and we're getting ready to go to Liechtenstein today, and I just wanted to check out the view from the balcony. It's pretty awesome. So we're staying at this Air BnB in a little mountain town. And this is the view from their balcony. It's pretty sweet. Next stop, Liechtenstein, the 6th smallest country in the world. It covers 160 square kilometers and has a population of only 37,000 people. That's pretty small.
So we were in the car ready to go, just putting the setting the navigator, and this very sweet little old Swedish man came out, and we thought he was maybe asking us if we needed help getting out of the driveway because there's a bit of a we're on a bit of a slant, and he goes into his garage and he just like comes out with this like massive shovel and just like,
is this even a shovel?
I don't know, and then he gestures to Chad that he'd like him to clear it. So
I mean, it works well.
Good Samaritan as he is, he's clear. Extremely efficient. When in Switzerland.
Dankeschön. Cute.
Cute.
Headed to the hills, out of beautiful Switzerland and into Liechtenstein.
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 Liechtenstein. Liechtenstein. So we've been driving for about 10k, and I think we've probably spent more time in tunnels than outside of tunnels, which is kind of fun.
True. We just came out of a tunnel that was like 1 kilometer long, and then we were out of a tunnel for like 500 meters, and then we're back in a tunnel for like 2 kilometers, like driving through the mountains on our way to Liechtenstein.
It's beautiful though.
Yeah. Once the clouds clear out the top of the mountain, it's going to be stunning. And we have, apparently from the forecast, it says it's going to be sunny for like the next week in Switzerland. So we should have amazing weather.
Yay!
Take the exit.
We're in Balzers, Liechtenstein. We're just going to head up to the castle. Beautiful view of the mountain, little church, and our path to get to the castle. Sort of. It echoes through it?
Yeah.
Neat.
That's really cool. Try it.
Hello.
Try on the other side.
Hello. Hello. Hello.
Yodel it, it's more fun.
Yole. Neat. Pretty nice view. Beautiful mountains, beautiful wife. How could it get any better?
I'm so happy it's a clear day and we get to fully appreciate the views here.
Absolutely.
Incredible.
Yep. Sure is.
Mountains are so humbling. They just make you feel so tiny.
Yeah. The Castle of Vaduz. In the capital city, Vaduz, in Liechtenstein, which is a short 10-minute drive from
Southern Liechtenstein.
Yeah. There wasn't much to see at the castle, so it was a pretty quick turnaround. We did, however, find a nice little lookout just below the castle. What have we got here?
Oh,
You have to pay for it?
patch.
Oh, damn it. Well, it's a nice view without that thing.
It is.
Thank you.
Beautiful tasting room.
Yes, it's nice. All the wine you see on the right side are from the Prince's Vineyard in Austria. The Vaduz are here. We have 90% Pinot and 10% Chardonnay. And we will offer you 3 different types of Pinot.
Oh,
Okay.
great.
First one is the Rosé, it's my favorite at the moment. This one in the middle is the original Vaduz.
Okay.
Both are matured in a steel tank and from 2016 where we have had a lot of sun. And they are very strong, 13.5.
Okay.
And the third one with the red label is our Rolls Royce. It's the same one like this, but it's oaked flavor. It was 1 year in a cask.
Oh, cool.
Yeah. This is the 2014. You can see the color is brighter, not so strong. 2014 we have had 12.8. This is normal. The 2016 was a very special year.
Okay.
You drink it like water and you will be very quick drunk.
Yeah.
So,
And you said the rosé is your favorite?
this is my favorite. Yes,
Yeah?
yes,
Okay.
it's very fruity. And this one smells a little bit like black cherries. And here you can smell. Oh, you have not enough.
No, thank you.
You can smell the wooden flavor very quick.
Okay.
Okay, chin chin.
Thank you.
I'm nearby if you have a question.
Excellent.
Okay.
Thank you.
Dankeschön. Chin chin.
Prost. Prost.
I love tasting.
Wine tasting in Liechtenstein.
Check. We didn't even know it was something we wanted to do.
No, we didn't. We didn't even know it was a vineyard. Well, sort of, but not really. We actually thought it was
But it is, and
a brewery.
it is,
Which
and
is
it
ironic.
was, and we did.
Yeah. Excellent.
The Prince of Liechtenstein, or I guess the Prince of Liechtenstein's son, just passed us.
We're told that they all drive fancy Audis,
They all drive fancy white Audis, and that's him.
and he just passed us with,
Oh, he's going so
with
fast.
purpose. So we're trying to catch up to him. I hope we can get a glimpse of him, but he's driving way too fast.
He looks like a young whippersnapper.
Meow. Oh, just around the corner. He's one corner ahead of us.
Okay, we're never gonna beat him.
There he is. You can see his brake lights.
There he is, the Prince's brake lights. You're welcome.
That was sweet. Malbun, here we are. We spent the next hour or so hiking up the ski slope, enjoying the view of the small town below and the beautiful mountains that surrounded us. Definitely some ski tracks coming down from that road. Be a pretty sweet run. The mountain air in Liechtenstein. Woo! Next stop, Interlaken, Switzerland.
Okay. Okay, Google Maps, I trust you.
This is what the road looks like to Interlaken?
Yeah.
Ridiculous.
Don't you see that? I'm naked!
Naked!
An interesting song.
Und am Hashtag MeToo machen die Menschen auf der ganzen Welt auf sexuelle Belästigung aufmerksam.
Switzerland McDonald's, Darren. We were just at a diner and a steak was $60, so now we're gonna check out McDonald's and see how much it costs. English. Here to go, Taryn.
I guess here. You can't eat and drive.
So far, so good. Ooh, fun fries.
Those look a bit weird. Big and tasty.
The Big Bang menu.
The Big Bang.
Burgers and menu.
Double McBacon.
Wraps and nuggets. We could go for that. There we go. $6.50 for just the Big Mac. $13 for a medium. So it's like $19 for a...
But the burger's the same. You're just paying for the fries and the size drink.
Yeah. Yeah, we could share the fries and drink. So let's get just nuggets. Some sweet and sour.
You get another one for free.
Oh, okay. Perfect. Sweet and sour.
Oh, the cocktail sauce. It's probably like a Chipotle.
Okay. Done? Is that our order? $21.10.
This sounds $30.
$30 for McDonald's.
This hurts. Like I guess.
Yeah.
No. Nobody gives me gift cards to McDonald's.
Here we go. That's what you get. $30 in Switzerland. 22 Swiss francs. That's what you get. Big Macs, 9 chicken nuggets, and medium fry and drink.
My moment. Anyways, we found something cheaper than the $60 Wiener Schnitzel. I'm done. I got shy.
Next up, we kayak with high tide in Interlaken and explore the mountaintops of Grindelwald by means of sledging, ziplining, hiking, and paragliding.
Let's wrap, folks.
Don't forget to subscribe.
Follow us on Instagram.